Hi, Emmy. Hello, Emmy. Hi. Wait, what's that? Why do you have a veil? Why do you have a veil? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, I can't hear your voice. I can't hear you. No, I can't hear you, Emmy. Let me message your mom. I can't hear you.
有声音啊，不过没声
Oh,
音。
it's okay now. Yes, it's okay now. Wait, can you tell me why are you wearing a veil? That's only for wedding. Do you like it, Emmy? Wait, let me translate something for you, Emmy.
他是一个新娘才戴面纱，在菲律宾。
在菲律宾，只有新娘在婚礼上戴面纱。
What?
我小朋友随时都可以戴。
那个让脖子上。
Or maybe it's just a style in China? I don't really know. Maybe it's just for fashion? Is it just a hairstyle, Emmy? A hair accent? Maybe it's just a hair accessory, Emmy. That's fine, Emmy. That's okay.
children.
你可以练着，老师，是不是？会呀，
Oh,
This is a toy for Chinese children.
it's, oh, it's a toy for you. Okay, okay, Emmy. That's fine, Emmy. But that is beautiful. It suits you, Emmy. Okay, so now let me share my screen, Emmy. And for today, we will have the continuation of our activity last time, which is this one. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to listen and number. Okay, let us listen to it.
Page 40. Checkup 2. Units 3 and 4. A. Listen, number, and write. 1,
Fly planes.
Okay,
2,
very good.
Uncle.
Okay, there you have it. And
3,
Spoon.
okay, that's correct.
4,
Headache.
Headache. Okay, that's correct.
5,
Vet.
Vet. Okay, and the last one is
6,
Mexico.
okay, yes, that one. Thank you so much, Emmy. Now let us proceed to a little grammar activity, Emmy. So tell me the correct answer. And then you have to number it right here. The librarian, is it works or work at the library? What do you think is the answer, Emmy? Can you encircle your answer? Is it works or work? What do you think? Okay. Take your time, Emmy. What do you think? Is it works or work? Do you know? Mhm. Okay. What about the others? Can you answer 1 to 4 and then we'll check your answers? You can do it, Emmy. Don't worry, I'll explain if you will not get it correctly. Okay, who's Danny's? Grandparents, okay. What about 4? Okay, what about 1, Amy? What is your answer here? Okay, yes, thank you so much, Amy. Now let us check. Okay, now the librarian. Oh, why did you erase it all? Okay, the librarian works at the library because the librarian is only one. So, of course, we will use the rule. We're going to add s to the verb. Okay, now next one we have here grandparents, and we're talking about 2 of them. Okay, grandparents right here. So it would be not his, Emmy, but their. Okay, they are Danny's grandparents. When we say his, it should be just him, but we have here grandparents, so it's their. Now he has a stomachache, that is right, and this is our flag. That's correct as well. So that would be it, Emmy. Now let us continue our activity to this one. Okay, so tell me the missing words and phrases to complete your answer, Emmy. Now, what does the bus driver do? What does the bus driver do? He What is your answer, Amy? 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 What does the bus driver do, Amy? Look at the bus driver. He he
Fly a bus.
Okay, he drives buses. Okay, that is correct. Now, next one, who are they, Amy? Who are they? They're there. What do you think? What is your answer there? They are
Are
his.
my parents.
Who are they there? His parents. Okay, they're the boy's parents. Now, whose cup is that? It's hers. Now, what about for four? Who works at the restaurant, Emmy? Can you remember?
Salesman.
What's his job, Emmy? He is a... Can you remember?
也是怎么来着？
服务业的读音是服务
Why
员。
are you speaking in Chinese, Emmy? Okay. Okay, he is a server. Okay. Yes, the server works at the restaurant. Or we can as well say he is a waiter, Emmy. Waiter and server, they are the same, okay? They are the same. Now, let us have the next activity. We have here a listening practice. Tell me the missing responses, Emmy.
Page 41. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
Excuse me, how much is this sweater?
It's $30.
It's $30.
Okay, very good.
2,
How do you use chopsticks? Like this.
You use stuff chopsticks.
Okay, yes. How do you use chopsticks? Like this. Okay, there you have it, Emmy. Now let us have this one. Okay, so all you have to do is to tick there the correct answer for each picture. Okay, what's her job, Emmy? Mm-hmm. Oh, wait, no. Just take one. Just take one. Okay. Is she a cashier, Emmy? Is she a cashier? Is she a postal worker, Emmy? Oh, I think you have forgotten the jobs we've talked about, Emmy. Now, when we say cashier, Emmy, it is the person where you will pay after you buy or after you're done selecting certain items. Okay, it is a person where you will pay. Okay, you will pay for what you have bought. Now, the postal worker, Emmy, it is where you send or a person who will deliver your letters. So, in here, Emmy, she is a salesperson, Emmy. Yes. Okay, she's encouraging customers to buy a certain item. Now, what about him? Who is he? Okay, cousin. What's the matter with her? Okay, that's correct. Now, what about in here? Okay, that's correct. What is it? Is it a cup? Okay, yeah. Spoon. What's her job? Okay, yes. Very good, Emmy. Thank you, Emmy. Now, why are you taking it all? Just take one. Just take one, Emmy. Okay, so yes. Drive buses. She drives buses. Now let us have this, Emmy. Okay, so we're from Russia. This is blank flag. What is the missing word?
Yellow flag.
This is
Yellow
this is Russia's flag. Is it? We're from Russia. This is
flag.
no, Emmy. So in here, see, we have someone talking about them. So what are we going to use? This is our or this is their flag. What do you think? Okay, yes, that is correct, Emmy. This is their flag. Now, who's she?
There is a Spanish powder.
Okay, yeah, she is Dean's cousin. Where does the server work?
Someone work at her
Okay, the server works at the restaurant. Now, whose plate is that? Oh, you're sleepy. Mommy is sleepy. Okay, whose plate is that, Emmy? Okay, it's mine. Okay, since she is not giving it to anyone, it's mine. Now let us have this one. Okay, so what's the matter with her? Can you connect it first, Emmy? What's the matter with her? Okay, what's the matter with her? Can you tell me?
cat.
Okay, can you answer it?
Cat.
She has a she has a headache. Okay, that's correct, Emmy. Now, who works at the department store? Hmm? Okay, who works at the department store, Emmy? Salesperson.
This person work at the shop.
Okay, the department store. Okay, does the pilot fly planes?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, yes, she does. What does the vet do?
is
The
help
vet.
sick animal.
Okay, yes, very good, Emmy. The vet helps sick animals. Thank you. Now let us have this one. Look at the picture, Emmy. We have here the word bank like this. And how much is this coat? Now, excuse me, blank. It's $45. What do you think is the missing response here, Emmy? Is it like this or how much is this coat? Okay, yes, very good. How much is this coat? How do you play the guitar? Okay, yes, very good. Does your father make things, Emmy?
No.
No? How do we answer if it's no? No, he. No, he. We have does, right? So we're going
你
to
爸爸会做什么东西吗？你说他不行，
no, he.
我认为是
有居家整成。
What do you think, Emmy?
他那我居家整成。
No?
放放上放。
What are you doing,
Yes,
Abby?
he can make phones.
Oh, so it would be yes, he does. Okay. But if it's a no, Emmy, it should be no, he doesn't. Okay, doesn't. Okay, there you have it. Now, since we're done with this one, we'll proceed to a new lesson. We have here skills bonus, Emmy. Can you read this one? Interview with a vet. Wait, let me cover this one. Can you read it, Emmy? Can you read it?
Vicky, I'm a rat. I work at an animal hospital. Is that cat sick? Yes, it is. What's the
What's the matter?
what's the matter with it? Yes,
It has
it had a
fever.
fever. I can help it.
Okay, thank you so much. Well read, Emmy. Now let me cover it, Emmy. No peeking, Emmy. No peeking. Can you tell me who is Vicky? I can't hear you. Who? Okay, Vicky is a. Okay, very good. Vicky is a vet. What does Vicky do? What does Vicky do?
Big animal.
Okay, yes, that's correct. And what's the matter with the cat?
Fever.
Yes, it has a fever, Annie. Can the vet help it?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, she can. Okay, very good, Annie. Now let us have this one. Listen and number. Okay, so let us listen to it.
Page 42. C. Listen and number. 1,
This cup is mine.
2,
This cup is mine. Okay, yes, that's correct.
Who are they? They're his parents.
They're his parents. Okay, yes, very good. Oh, you're using different colors.
3,
Does the bus driver drive buses?
Yes, she does.
Okay, easy peasy. Okay, yeah, easy one.
4,
What's the matter with her?
She has a headache.
Okay, yes, very good. And
5,
This flag is ours.
okay, yes, that is correct. And the last one.
6,
He sells things. He's a salesperson.
Okay, yes, that is right. Thank you so much, Emmy. Now, can you answer this one? When did you help an animal? I can't hear you. Have you tried? When did you help an animal, Emmy? Do you like animals, Emmy? Do you like dogs, cats, birds, and other animals? Yes, you do. Do you have one? Do you have a pet? Yes. What pet do you have? I can't hear you. What?
David and Peppa.
Oh, that's nice, Amy. Okay, so we'll talk about it tomorrow, okay? So, but now, Amy, I believe that would be all it. So, you can sleep now. I know you're a little tired, Amy. See you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Good night, Amy.